The whole idea of me coming over here was to actually make people in the US have a better understanding of Pakistan. Unfortunately, over the 40 years I've been coming to the US, unfortunately I feel that there has been a lot of misunderstanding. Pakistan is not understood here. Specifically in the last 15 years when this war on terror was being fought in Afghanistan and on the borders of Pakistan, a lot of misunderstandings between the two countries and the governments. So what I hope is that by the time I leave, I would have made people here understand our point of view, what we went through when we had 70,000 Pakistanis dying in this war on terror and we had billions and billions of dollars of loss to our economy. And we were fighting the US war of terror because Pakistan had nothing to do with 9/11 or Al-Qaeda was in Afghanistan. There were no militant Taliban in Pakistan. But we joined the US war.